This video I will explain how to create a strong password. Creating a strong password is very important to keep your online account safe from hackers or strangers. A strong password makes it hard for others to guess or break into your account. What is password? A password is a secret word or phrase that you can use to access your email, social media, bank account or computer. Only you should know it. What is strong password? A strong password is a password that is long enough, at least 12 characters, and it uses a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. And it is not easy to guess. And the password does not contain your name, birth date, or simple words like password or 123456. Why strong passwords matter? If your password is weak, someone can easily steal your personal information, access your email, bank account, or social media, and cause damage or steal your identity. A strong password helps to protect your private data. Now we will see simple rules to create a strong password. Use at least 12 characters. More characters equal to stronger password. Mix different types of characters. For example, you have to use capital letters, small letters, numbers, and symbols. You have to avoid common words. Do not use words like password, quitty, or your own name. Do not reuse old passwords. Use a new password for each account. Avoid personal information. Do not use your birth date, phone number, or pet names. Change passwords occasionally. If you think your password may have been seen or stolen, change it right away. Here you can see the example of weak password 12345678 or password 123. Here you can see the example of strong password, and this strong password example contains symbols, numbers, capital letters, and it is not easy to guess. You can use a passphrase for your password. Passphrase is a sentence or a group of words that you remember, but it is hard for others to guess. Here you can see the example. It is long but easy for you to remember, and it includes symbols and numbers. You can use a password manager. If it is hard to remember many strong passwords, then you can use a password manager. This is a safe tool that stores all your passwords in one place. You only need to remember one master password. Example of password managers are Bitwarden, which is free, secure, open source, and easy to use. LastPass, which is free and premium versions, autofills passwords. One Password, which is paid, user-friendly with extra security features. Dashlane, which is simple, shows password strength, and it has dark web alerts. Google Password Manager. It is built into Chrome or Android in sync with Google account. For beginners, you can use Bitwarden or Google Password Manager. You have to change your passwords every few months, especially if you get a security warning or if your account has been hacked. Here you can see the checklist of strong password. At least 12 characters, mix of letters, numbers and symbols, no personal information, not a dictionary word, different from old passwords. The final tip is always keep your password private. Never share the password with anyone. If you write it down, keep it in a safe place.